Hey guys, Lacey here, back again with another video. Today I got a quick unboxing for you, something that hasn't released yet. I haven't seen it on any of the vlogs. Sneaker News, Nice Kicks, none of those guys have posted anything about it yet. I walked into one of my local sneaker shops and I seen this on the shelf and I was kind of shocked to see it because I hadn't heard anything about it. I even went as far as looking at the box and taking the SKU off the box and trying to enter it in Google. Zero information on this sneaker online anywhere, so I figured let me grab them and do an unboxing for you guys. So without further ado, the sneaker in question is boom, the Coming to America Giannis Nike Blazer 77 vintage mid. It's really long to say. I kind of took a little digging to find out, a little bit of information. I had nothing online about these, but honestly guys, this shoe is fire. Gum bottom. Any shoe with a gum bottom makes it like 100 times better for me. Mind you, you can't really see the gum bottom on these. If this was all gum, it'd be over. Because I hate white midsoles and white outsoles. I just hate when my shoes get dirty. You wear them once, it's a wrap. Let me see if I can take these insoles out. Blazers have so much laces, man. Boom. All right. If you guys can see this, we got the plaid McDowell's hat with the Giannis Antetokounmpo logo on the insole. Now, if you guys don't know what this is yet, this sneaker is based off Coming to America, obviously, but off of Eddie Murphy's outfit when he worked at McDowell's restaurant in the movie. They wore this exact same uniform in the same colored plaid, and they had this stupid hat on in the movie as well.
I am Akeem. I have recently been placed in charge of garbage. Do you have any that requires disposal?
No, it's totally empty.
Well, when it fills up, don't be afraid to call me. I'll come take it out most urgently.
That's good to know.
When you think of garbage, think of Akeem.
The only information I found about not this shoe but a similar shoe is All-Star Weekend, February the 14th. They're releasing the Zoom Freak 1 sneaker in this exact colorway with the plaid. I think the swoosh is going to be plaid though on that one, and it's going to have the same Coming to America branding on it, on the tongue, and I think on the heel as well. Because those are coming out, the same kind of concept, I'm assuming this is part of the same pack. They just haven't been announced. My local sneaker shop messed up and ended up putting these out, so I don't know. I think they just got the box and they're like, hey, a new pair of shoes, let me just put these out on the shelf, and boom, they were there. So these have been sitting on shelves now for a week. The second Soul Collector posts anything about these, I guarantee you they will immediately sell out. You know how popular Blazers are now that they've done the Off-White collab. Slam Jam did a dope collab. This vintage sneaker style is back and a lot of people want it. Now the Zoom Freak 1, I'm not sure if that one's gonna sell out, but because it is an All-Star Weekend drop, it may, depending on how limited it is. One more quick 360, and I love the deconstructed vintage exposed foam on the tongue here. Oversized, obviously Blazer, stitch swoosh on here, all white, coked out midsole, gum bottoms. You got the canvas. I don't know if this is canvas or denim, to be honest. It looks like a white denim, but it also could be canvas. I don't know. If anybody gets these, let me know. You got the Coming to America, my bad. Branding on the tongue. Coming to America, branding on the heel. Leather green lining. And then the branded Giannis insoles with the little funky hat they got on. And again, we got the blue hit of blue canvas or denim on the heel there too, and white laces. These only came with one set of laces, and retail price on these $160 Canadian, so I'm assuming these are going to be about $120 US when they drop. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, what you think of these. Are these a cop or a drop? Now with that being said, guys, let's lace up these blazers and show you what they look like on feet. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just a quick unboxing on the vintage Blazer mid 77 coming to America Giannis collab. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back again with another video.